In today's video, I will teach you how to change the color of any object in Lightroom. Let's get started. Lightroom makes it easy to change the color of specific objects using tools like the adjustment brush, color mixer, and masking panel. And here's how to do it step by step. The first method is using the HSL or color mixer for simple color changes. If you want to shift the color of an object without masking, the HSL or color mixer is a quick way to do it. To do this, go to the Develop module or simply press D on your keyboard, then scroll down to HSL or color panel on the right sidebar. Then select the U tab and adjust the sliders to shift the colors. For reds, you can change it to orange or yellow for a warm effect. And for blues, you can change it to teal or purple for a cinematic look. And if the object doesn't change much, you can increase the saturation and tweak the luminance for better effect. This is best to use for global color changes like skies, grass, or skin tones. The second method is using the masking tool for precise color editing. For selecting and changing specific objects, the masking tool gives full control. You can start by clicking masking, or simply pressing M on your keyboard, then select object, or simply use the adjustment brush, or press K on your keyboard for manual selection. Then paint over the object that you want to change. Then go to the U slider and adjust the color. And you can use the saturation to refine the effect. This is best for changing specific objects like clothing, cars, or eyes. A third method is using the color range mask for automatic selection. If the object has a unique color, you can use the color range mask for automatic selection. To do this, click masking, then select color range. Then click the eyedropper tool and select the object's color. Then adjust the refinement slider to control the range. Then use the U saturation to shift the color. This is best for precise color changes with minimal effort. And here are some extra tips for realistic color changes. You can use the feathering and flow for smooth blending. Then adjust the shadows and highlights to match the lighting, and if the object looks unnatural, you can tweak the temperature and tint for a natural feel. By following these steps, you can easily change the color of any object in Lightroom for creative and professional edits. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.